Day 1. Dear Diary, I am the President of the United States. My name is Donald Trump. It was good living here in the atmosphere, but I am getting tired of having to breathe this air with all the chemicals it has. It is nice that this whole place is made of gas, but it is extremely cold. The temperature is negative 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Up here there is nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and the chemicals that I hate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the center of the earth where it is nice and warm. Day 2. I am going to go through the earth under the continents because I don't want to deal with the high pressure under the oceans, even though it is only 5 miles under the oceans instead of 25 miles under the continents. I am going to tell my scientists from China to make me a drill that can withstand all the solid rocks, granite, and sediments that the crust is made of. My scientists from China will also have to study whatever is under the crust and make the drill withstand it. The crust has a temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. Day 3. In one day I will start my adventure to the center of the earth. My special drill will be done tomorrow, and then I will start preparing with all the stuff I need. Day 4. I have prepared all my stuff and put it in the drill, and I am going to start my journey. Some of the scientists from China came with me in case the drill breaks down. We are about 20 miles down, so that means we have about 5 more miles to go. Day 5. We reached the mantle today. It is extremely hot. It is about 1,400 degrees down here, and it will probably get hotter as we go further down. It can get up to 3,000 degrees in the mantle. The scientists said that the mantle is kind of like a peanut butter sandwich because there are 3 layers on the mantle. The first layer is made of rock, and then the second layer is molten rock, and the last layer is made of rock. So the mantle is technically a solid and a liquid. Day 6. We got to the middle of the mantle, the molten rock part. The middle layer is the thickest layer of the whole mantle. Most of the mantle is made of iron, silicon, and magnesium. Today we had to change into some special heat resistance and AC suits. I heard the scientists say that the drill is starting to slow down, but they will be able to fix it. Day 7. We finally got to the last layer of the mantle. It is really hot. Day 8. We are almost through the last layer of the mantle, but our drill is really slowing down. It is good that we have molten rock propellers that make us go faster through the molten rock. Day 9. Today we got to the outer core. It is the second to last layer of the earth. Our molten rock propellers will be very useful in the outer core because the outer core is liquid, and by liquid I mean molten rock. It is going to be very hot down here because it can get up to 7,200 to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Day 10. Today we got about halfway through the outer core. It is really hot, but not a lot happened today. Day 11. We hit something a minute ago. We are on the edge of the inner core. It was a submarine without a drill for some reason. He came into our drill. His name is Scientist Fisher. Day 12. We found out that the inner core is really boring. It is just a big ball of solid iron and nickel. It is really hot. It can range from 9,000 to 13,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Day 13. We start our journey back to the crust. Nowhere in the earth is good for me to live in. It's either too hot or too boring. 13 days later. We got to the crust today, and I told everyone in the world I went to the center of the earth. The end.